Trenchtown hero Tremayne Brown at it again as he donates to grieving mom.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Since he first came into the spotlight in 2017 for having risked his own life to save a youngster from the raging floodwaters in a gully, Tremayne Brown has been focused on making an even greater impact in his community and the wider Jamaica. The 26-year-old resurfaced on the radar of heroic acts last Friday when he made the first donation from his newly established foundation to Japhine Campbell, the mother of 7-year-old Benjamin Blair, who was killed by a garbage truck as he waited to be picked up from his school, Clancarty Primary in St. Andrew. Brown said that the news of Benjamin's death broke his heart. This, he said, prompted him to start the paperwork to register the Tremayne Brown Youth Foundation, something he had been envisioning since his first act of gallantry. I believe little things can make a difference, so I wanted to start a foundation where I can help people who need the assistance. I have a lot of money and the foundation just started. And if I can raise some funds for her, then I know that other people out there can do the same. I actually believe now that I am here to make a difference. In my community, I want to uplift the people. I want to do programs for the youth them, take them out of the community and show them another side of life because Jamaica is beautiful. We have a lot of history and a lot of things here, and a lot of the youth them don't even come outside of the community. He explained that the foundation will target youth in his community and several others across Jamaica, where there's a lack of social infrastructure to support their growth and development. This is what I am passionate about, because I believe the children are our future. Right now, I am looking about raising some money to build a little community center where we can do things like after-school programs. Some of the children in my community, them not have no help. And we have a lot of children who are very bright as well, and them don't have no strength behind them to push them. As children, they need that push to go in the right direction. Sometimes when I look and see the youth them, I think they can get so much more out of life. So that is the reason why I start the foundation. We want to make a change in 2020. If it is even to reach 10 or 20 people and make a change in them life. That is what we are going to do, he added. Also, the father of a soon-to-be 7-year-old son, Brown spoke movingly to Campbell on Thursday when he visited with the grieving mother at her home in Kingston. I have a son myself, and although as a father, I can only imagine what Japhine as a mother is feeling. I can relate to her as a parent. For me, when I heard the news, it broke my heart, and knowing that you haven't got anyone to help you or to stand by your side made me want to reach out. So today, I just wanted to, from my foundation, make a contribution towards funeral costs before handing over an envelope of 10,000 Jamaican dollars that came both from his pocket and donations from members of his foundation.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.